Hello everyone. Vegetables seemingly offer more than just more efficient weight loss. They have shown to reduce cholesterol levels and blood pressure, and they boost the health of blood vessels and immune system. Adding vegetables to your meals also helps the body work effectively. Vegetables also contain antioxidants which may reduce DNA damage, thus reducing risk of cancer. That brings us to this vegetable jollof rice preparation. Into that pan I had oil, and this is my rice already washed. I washed it like several times, and I left it for about 30 minutes so it hardened up because it was a little bit wet. So now it's time to fry the rice. So at this point, I want to say welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. So I'm going to be frying this on a medium low heat. So I actually fried this rice for about 10 minutes. So it's now time to add my purple onion. And I'm going to be stirring that. People cook in different ways or different styles. There are different methods of making jollof rice, but I actually love doing it this way. So you have to stir to make sure the ones at the bottom doesn't get burnt. The idea of frying this rice is I am actually looking for that smoky flavor. And as I'm doing this, the onions tend to infuse into the rice. The onion flavor tends to infuse directly into the rice, which gives it a very nice aftertaste. So it's now time to add my Scotch bonnet pepper. I love using Scotch bonnet, especially this one is very hot. And these are my veggies, as you can see. So it's time to add my grilled snail. The snail, they are already grilled in the oven, but now I'm adding them to cook into the rice. I just added the knorr cubes, as you have seen, and some curry powder. Now, as you can see, I just added my tomato sauce to the rice, and I'm going to mix all that together to make sure all the ingredients they come in contact with one another to bring all the flavors together to give it a very fantastic taste. I just added some salt also. So now it's time to add our chicken stock. And I'll stir that together. I'm not going to add too much water because I already added the chicken stock, and with the tomato sauce, the liquidy tomato sauce, everything all will help the rice to cook perfectly because rice actually needs steam to cook. So now I'm covering that so that all the steam will be trapped in the pot and it will allow it to cook effectively and cook properly. And I covered it up after covering with the foil paper. So I'm gonna let this cook for another 25 to 30 minutes, and this is after 30 minutes on medium low heat. Be careful when doing this because it's super hot. I almost got burnt. So I'm just stirring that, and after stirring I'm going to cover it up again and leave it. But this time I'm adding my veggies. That's the beets that I already cut up, and that's my carrot, and my onions, the remaining onions. And I'm going to stir that together. After stirring this, I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes to cook more before adding the remaining vegetables. This is just a very simple dinner idea that you can pull up in less than an hour. It's a quick, super quick dinner. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you all to all my subscribers, and those of you who keep coming to my channel. Thank you all for watching my videos. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, kindly click that red button that says subscribe. And now it's time to add my bell peppers. And after adding this, it doesn't take time, maybe 20 seconds. And I'm going to bring this down. And now our rice is all done. Look at that. So in this rice, the snail and the veggies just took the taste to another level. Thank you all for watching. God bless you, and by God's grace, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.